Hey friends, I want to show you how you can quickly curve your text. So go ahead and open up your document, and once you have a blank template open or whatever template you're working on, go ahead and hover over to the left side here and click text. Once you do, click any option here, hover over to the top toolbar and click effects. When you do that, go ahead and tap curve under shape here. And then, as you see, it'll automatically curve your text for you. And you have a handy toggle bar down here that can help you adjust your curve to less or more, up and down, etc., etc. And you can use that round blue circle that illuminates to help you align it with the other elements in your design. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.